How to hide words on Threads. Let's get started. Launch your Threads app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you'll need to navigate to your profile page. So click on the profile icon given at the bottom right. Now click on two bars given at the top right. Head over to the option Content Preferences. Once you're in this page, navigate to the option Hidden Words. Now enable for this option Hide Common Offensive Words in Replies. Now you'll need to generate custom filters. So go ahead and click on the option New Filter. Now fill out this. First type in the filter name, then select if you want to hide posts shared by anyone or just the profiles you don't follow. Likewise, choose how long to hide until you turn off or for 30 days. Then click on the option Add Words. You can add multiple words, phrases or emojis. Once you're done, you can head back and click on Save. And that's it. You have now just learned how to filter out unwanted content on Threads using the Hidden Words feature. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.